Here's a quick tool tip from the Timberworker. Try saying that quickly. I've got this cheap scroll saw which I got off Facebook Marketplace. I've used it in a couple of videos before. It works okay, but what I'm really struggling with at the moment is I'm trying to cut some very small pieces. This is for a project that I'm working on at the moment, and the biggest problem that I've got is all around the insert here. It's far too small, or the gap is far too wide, sorry. So what happens is, as I'm moving this small piece across, it will get caught there, it get caught that way. It just isn't the best, when you're working on something this small. So what I'm going to try and do today is make a sort of zero clearance bed table for it. Hopefully going to be very simple, something anybody will be able to do. I've got a piece of ply, some double-sided tape and a drill, and that is all I'm going to need. So I've cut a hole with plenty of clearance for the saw to go through, but obviously nowhere near as much room around it as the old plate had. And then all I'm going to do, put some double-sided tape on here, thread the saw blade up through the hole to make sure I'm in the right position, and then stick it down and see how it works. Now, the other thing with this scroll saw is it does tend to vibrate quite a lot. I'm sure if I mounted it down properly and put some foam damper underneath, that would get to work, but again, it's not something I use all the time. It's just something I lift out from its storage space and put on my big workbench when I need it. So, doing this sort of freehand, I know the shape that I want.
And sit down.
As you can see, I'm still getting used to this. The tight lines are giving me a bit of grief, but the actual, as far as it riding across the ply, that's absolutely fine. It's just getting these tight corners cut away that's giving me the Okay, now you probably won't be able to tell what it is yet, and that's fine because, as I say, it's part of a future project, and it needs a bit more sort of shaping, sanding. This is just purely to get the basic general outline sorted. But yeah, that is kind of how I want it. I think what I'll say is, as far as my scroll saw skills go, there's still a lot to improve, but compared to that, this bit of ply, just 3mm, it's holding down very well. That's absolutely spot on and doing the job that I want it to. So thanks for watching this quick tip. Stay tuned for some more. Depending on when you're watching this video, you might even be able to actually see the project that I'm cutting out these little pieces for.